Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You will want to stay updated on any crucial information that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 24th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Microsoft as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 3.45. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 28.23% since we first listed Microsoft as a buy candidate 51 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.55% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 33.79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 27.99% to 40.04%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 3.96%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary between negative 24.81% and positive 4.41% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $373.42 and $518.51. Our latest daily update from Microsoft includes the headline, "Red Day on Tuesday for Microsoft stock after losing 0.221%. The Microsoft stock price fell by 0.221% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, dropping from $497.72 to $496.62. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 0.83%, with a day low of $494.11 and a day high of $498.20. The price has been moving up and down during this period, with a gain of 2.19% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 12 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.88 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $500.50, while the lowest was $344.79. Currently, the price is 0.78%, or $3.88, below the 52-week high of $500.50, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Today, Microsoft is making headlines with multiple strategic developments that could significantly impact its stock price in both the short and long term. First, the American Federation of Teachers, in collaboration with Microsoft, OpenAI, and Anthropic, announced the launch of the National Academy for AI Instruction. This $23 million initiative aims to provide free AI training for 1.8 million educators, positioning Microsoft at the forefront of AI education. Moreover, Microsoft continues to excel in the tech landscape. Its partnership with Replit signals a strong move against Google Cloud, enhancing Microsoft's presence in the competitive cloud market. Analysts suggest that Microsoft's recent AI revenue surge, which jumped 175% year-over-year to $13 billion, further justifies its valuation and indicates robust growth potential. In addition, Microsoft's collaboration with Novata focuses on scaling sustainability solutions for small and mid-sized businesses globally, reinforcing its commitment to enterprise sustainability. The company is also expanding its partnerships, including with PingCap and Lucinity, further solidifying its position in the distributed SQL and financial AI sectors. These collaborative ventures and advancements not only enhance Microsoft's market share, but also cultivate a positive outlook among growth investors. The emphasis on AI and sustainability aligns with current market trends, suggesting that Microsoft is well-positioned for substantial growth, which could positively influence its stock price in the upcoming quarters. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Microsoft a positive rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 26th of June, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley designated Microsoft an overweight rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright awarded Microsoft a neutral rating with an initiate action. On the same day, Wednesday, the 25th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush rated Microsoft as outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo gave Microsoft an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock currently presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of $495.64 and $474.66. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is noted from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may affect the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 3, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.401%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 52 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 52 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 47 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $425.40 and $390.49. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Microsoft finds support just below today's level at $425.40. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $390.49 and $381.35. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $4.09, or 0.83% between its high and low. For the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively standard key ratio, often associated with companies that have long-standing performance records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.35. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $497.41. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $425.40. If this support level holds, it could provide a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 16th of June, 2025, Coleman Amy conducted an insider sale of 77,066 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Walmsley Emma N conducted an insider buy of 1,217 shares of restricted stock units. On the 12th of June, 2025, Rodriguez Carlos A conducted an insider buy of 72 shares of restricted stock units. On the 12th of June, 2025, Pritzker Penny S conducted an insider buy of 23,063 shares of restricted stock units. On the 12th of June, 2025, Peterson Sandra E conducted an insider buy of 43,276 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 40.853. Overall, insiders purchased 112,560 shares and sold 209,507 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $477.93, reflecting a decrease of 3.76%. This stock exhibits low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators combined with an overall positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Microsoft stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of July, we anticipate Microsoft will open lower by 310 of a dollar, beginning trading at $496.31. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.